Hey guys, so if you're a member of our Telegram channel, you should have seen something like this. The Elkester airdrop that is a dropping 10 nasty dollars in the cast token. So all you need to do is to click the link, download the application, sign up, then you verify your email, go to wallets to claim that token. So real quick guys, I'll be showing you how to could do that. So I'll try and sign up with my Twitter account. I'll try and sign up with Twitter account. Most of the time it doesn't work. It doesn't like go as fast as possible. You have to wait for some time and try over again to get access to this store. So if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and share it on the notification bell, and also give it a thumbs up. So this is it, me trying to log in via Twitter. Me trying to log in via Twitter. So this platform is basically a social media platform that's going to pay us CAST token for kind of being on their website and doing being on their app rather on the social media platform and doing some basic things. So guys, these are the options that we have to create a new account. First one is the create via Facebook. The second is Twitter. The third is Google. So we'll be checking that out. We'll be checking that out. I tried using Twitter, but it didn't work. It didn't work. I tried using Twitter just now, and it didn't work. It didn't work. So I'll try using email. I'll try using email right now. So I've done that already. I'll put in. So guys, all you need to do is to just input your email address, then you set a password, set your username, and boom, you are up ready for the task ahead. So we're gonna be claiming 10 CST token. So this is how it could do. Then you enter your email, enter the password, stuff like that, and follow prompts, input new password that you can remember, and you just click on the sign up button. Then the verification code sent to your email, just verify that, verify your email, and you brought this your dashboard. Kindly put your picture, kindly put your picture like something like that. Alright guys, so I'll be clicking on the wallet icon right now. I'll be clicking on the wallet icon, so I'll be directed to this page. So guys, basically this website is more of like a is more of like a social media platform. It's more of like a social media platform where we are going to get paid for participating in all these stuff, for liking and all of that, I guess. So a lot of people do normally post these stuffs like this. They are promoting themselves. A lot of people are doing this. They are promoting themselves. They are trying to promote something. They are trying to promote something. So that's what majority of people here. That's what they do. They go here and they post different things. Alright, so just click on the wallet icon to claim this airdrop. The $10 airdrop, I guess. Yeah, the 10 cast token airdrop. So you just click on the country icon. The country icon. So I'm in Nigeria. So I'll click in. So I'll be inputting my mobile number right now. So after that, you click on the send OTP icon and you'll be redirected to this page. So just copy the OTP when it comes, then you paste it. So after pasting it, your balance here will change. Your balance here will change, and your main balance would now be 10 cast token. So 10 cast token. So you could earn from referring friends. You could earn from referring friends to the program. It's a social media earning program. You earn via participating in social media activities like this. So that's how you earn on this platform. So basically, right here, I'm having 10 cash token, 10 cash token. Though I do not know the actual price, but I guess it should be like 10 United States dollars. one Castcle per dollar. So guys, let me go ahead to tell you more about this. So this is it. This is their Telegram group. Obviously it's a new launch platform. They are giving giveaway and they are doing giveaway. That's why I'm making this video, so that you can participate in giveaway. So the name of the website in general, their website name is castle.com. CSTCLE Castcle.com. Castcle.com. So I'll be launching straight up a decentralized social media and the Castcle revenue sharing from content reading, writing, and farming. So basically, you could earn via reading, writing, and also farming. So when checking the description of this video, you see a place to register for this stuff. Make sure that you are a registered user. Make sure that you have registered on this stuff. Alright guys, so if you're watching this, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also join our Telegram group. If you're a member of our Telegram group, you should be having more than this amount of USDT in your wallet. You should be having more than that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up.